Shaving can either be a painful chore or it can be an enjoyable ritual.
Nice.
The wrong technique leaves you with cuts, nicks, and razor burns, while the right routine will leave your face feeling smooth and fresh. In today's video, gents, I'm sharing with you the 6 steps to the perfect shave every morning. Step 1, prepare your face. In this first step, our goal is to soften those whiskers on your face with warm water. Now, the easiest way to do this is just simply to take a warm shower. The water and steam work together to open your pores and soften your facial hair. If you don't have time for a shower, then just wet a warm washcloth and hold it against your face for a solid minute. Step 2, bring out the secret weapon, the pre-shave oil. Now, if you're prone to razor burn, nicks, and cuts, pre-shave oil is a game changer. You see, a quality, natural pre-shave oil hydrates and protects the skin while softening your facial hair. This reduces friction and allows the razor to glide smoothly over your skin, resulting in less irritation. Now, note that pre-shave oil is not a replacement for shaving gel or shaving cream. Instead, it acts to enhance their performance by acting as a secondary protective layer. Now, when choosing a pre-shave oil, you want to make sure it doesn't have any artificial chemicals. These can dry out your skin, the exact opposite of what we're looking to do. Instead, look for natural pre-shave oils that contain ingredients like jojoba seed, which is an anti-inflammatory, or coconut oil, a great moisturizer. Apply 3 to 5 drops to your palms, rub it between your hands, and spread the oil over the area of your face that you will be shaving. Step number 3, apply your shaving cream or shaving gel. So first up, what's the difference between a shaving gel and a shaving cream, and which one's better for you? In general, gels are going to be transparent, have low usage of oils, and they're not going to lather up. Creams, on the other hand, are oftentimes going to have a solid white color, do contain oils, and do lather up. It's a matter of preference. I prefer gels as I like the transparency so I can see where I'm shaving. Skip anything that comes in an aerosol can. The propellant in those things is often propane, and they contain harsh chemicals which can dry out your skin. Instead, you want to choose either a shaving cream or gel with natural, healthy ingredients like aloe vera juice, which helps hydrate and nourish your skin, and eucalyptus oil, which is an antiseptic, perfect if you get any nicks or cuts. You want to apply a quarter size amount to your palm and then rub it between your hands with a little bit of water. Then apply the gel or cream all over the area of the face that you're going to shave. Now, what about the shaving brush? Gents, if you own a shaving brush and you've got the time, I highly advise you use them. The advantage of a shaving brush over the use of your hands is that it allows you to better apply the lather to the face. All right, gents, really quick, interrupting my own video here to talk with you about my company Vitaman and the special deal I've got for you here. So all the products featured in today's video that you need for the perfect shave, you can get as a package at a discounted price. First up, the face and body cleanser. Next up, our natural shave oil. And right with that, the best natural shave gel on the planet. And my personal favorite, our naturally cooling aftershave balm. And let's not forget our natural face moisturizer, specifically formulated for guys like you. And by the way, we're a lot more than just shave products. If you want styling gel for your hair, if you want specific types of shampoo, because you have oily hair, you have dry hair, you have thin hair, we've got you covered. Made in Australia with natural and organic ingredients. Free shipping throughout Australia and the United States, and a 100% money-back guarantee. Gents, this is my company. I stand behind it. In my opinion, we've got the best damn grooming products on the planet, bar none. Gentlemen, I'm putting a special link down in the description of today's video over to Vitaman, my company, where you can go over there and grab all of these products as a package at a discounted price. And gents, this deal is not going to be around forever, so use it or lose it. Step 4, choose your blade. So when it comes to razors, there's 5 main types. Now, the first razor on this list is the one I'm going to spend the least amount of time on, and that is the electric razor. Nothing against electric razors. I own a really nice one you can actually still get a wet shave with, but it's not going to give you that close barbershop type of shave which we're looking for. So the second razor I want to talk about is the cheap disposable razor. Cheap, dull razors that you just want to avoid. Yeah, they're painful to even look at. Life is too short to use a poor quality razor. Let's look at the razors at the next level, and that is our multi-blade cartridge razors. Now, when it comes down to convenience, simplicity, and quality of shave, there is a reason the majority of men default to this razor type. You see, the secret to the multi-blade system is that not all the razors are cutting at the same time. Instead, what you have is one blade lifts while the other one comes in and cuts the raised hair. The advantage? A clean shave without nicks and cuts. The disadvantage, though, is that this can irritate sensitive skin and lead to ingrown hairs. Also, as a lot of you guys know, replacement cartridges can be pricey. Next up, gents, we've got the safety razor. This is the tool your grandfather used, and over the last decade, this thing has made a comeback. Now, the safety razor is a double-edged blade, but you only use one blade at a time, and it can give you an amazing shave. The issue here is technique. You've got to have good shaving technique, or you can cut yourself. Replacement blades are very reasonably priced, and if you've got sensitive skin, it's going to be much easier on sensitive skin. And now let's talk about the godfather of blades, the straight razor. This tool requires some serious skill to master. If you're careless with this blade, you can seriously cut yourself. Straight razors in general are more expensive to buy up front, and they require proper maintenance after every use. That being said, if you can master this tool, it will give you the best shave of your life. All right, gents, time to start shaving. Run your razor under hot water. Hot steel cuts easier than cold steel. You want to go with the grain. Only shave in the direction that your hair grows for this first pass. Now, everyone's hair grows differently, as you can see by this shaving map here. So make sure to pay attention to the grain, to the direction that your hair grows on your face as you're cutting. Now, as you're shaving, shave with short strokes and light pressure. Seriously, most men make the mistake of shaving with too long of strokes. This can clog up your razor and you can cut yourself. Don't press too hard. This leads to nicks and razor burn. Let the weight of the razor do the work for you. Now, after every few strokes, make sure to rinse your razor with hot water. Your razor is a lot more effective when it's not filled with hair and shaving cream. Now, another common mistake is backtracking over areas that you've already shaved. The problem here is that area doesn't have any lubricant on it anymore, so that's going to lead to razor burn. Now, once you're done, wipe away any remaining lather and check for spots missed. Okay, so you found a few rough spots? So what you want to do here is reapply the shaving cream on those areas and go ahead and shave again. After you're done, go ahead and rinse your face to remove any remaining cream or shave oil and use cool water to close up the pores. Step number 6, apply your aftershave balm. Not an aftershave lotion. The difference is that a good aftershave balm made with natural ingredients is made to soothe the skin, while an aftershave or an aftershave lotion oftentimes contains alcohol and it can irritate the skin. Choose an aftershave balm that contains natural ingredients. You're looking for things like witch hazel. It's an antiseptic that won't dry out your skin. You want to look for aloe vera juice or spearmint leaf oil because both have natural soothing properties. Now, when applying an aftershave balm, I like to be generous. Let's squeeze out an amount about the size of a quarter, rub it between our hands, and then apply it evenly on the face and neck, the area where we just shaved. And there you go, gents. You just got a barbershop shave at your home. So what video to watch next? How about 7 simple tips to cut your hair at home?